Next, let us see today some problems. Find the equation of tangents to the parabola. Y square is equal to 16x, which is parallel to y minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, and also find the point of contact. Okay, solution. So y is equal to mx plus a by m is the tangent equation. Okay. So what is the parabola A is given? So 4a is equal to 16, a is equal to 4. And what is it says? Parallel to y minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So here m is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So minus of minus 2 by 1. 2 is the m value. You know a value, you know m value. Therefore, tangent equation y is equal to mx, 2x plus a by m. So 4 by 2. So y is equal to 2x plus 2. Then point of contact a by m square comma 2a by m. So a is what, sir? What's the a value? 4. By m value we got 2. 2 square is 4. M value we got 2. 2a. 2a means 8. 8 by 2. So what is the answer? 1 comma 4. So here we have to find the tangent equation. Next, find the equation of tangents to parabola y square is equal to 8x, which are perpendicular to 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now here tangents which are perpendicular and find point of contact. Okay. So here again y is equal to mx plus a by m. So y square is equal to 8x. So 4a is equal to 8. A is equal to 2. Or the a value we got 2. And it says perpendicular to 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0. M is y coefficient by x coefficient. So minus 4 by 3. So here y is equal to minus 4 by 3x plus a value 2 by minus 4 by 3. So y is equal to minus 4 by 3x minus 6 by 4. This 3 will go. So y is equal to minus 4 by 3x minus 3 by 2. And what is the point of contact? A by m square comma 2a by m. So p is what's our a value? 2 by m square. M square means 16 by 9. 2a means 4 by minus 4 by 3. So p is 18 by 16 minus 4 will get cancelled, minus 3. So here same tangent equation of tangent, but here a value we got perpendicular. Perpendicular means y coefficient by x coefficient. Here what is the minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Okay, please note on it. Find the equation of tangents to the parabola y square is equal to 2x, which makes angle 60 degrees with x-axis. Again equation of tangent same here. What is m formula? Tan theta. Theta value how much is going? 60. So it becomes root 3. What is the m value? Tan theta, which is root 3. And what is the a value? 4a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Okay, we got a. Therefore, y is equal to root 3x plus a is 1 by 2 by root 3. Therefore, y is equal to root 3x plus 1 by 2 root 3. Right? And point of contact again a by m square comma 2a by m. Therefore, p is a by m square. A value is what, sir? 1 by 2 by root 3 square is 3. 2a means 2 into a, that is 2 into 1 by 2 by m is root 3. So 1 by 6 comma 1 by root 3. So we got point of contact. So here again it is angle is given, so same formula. So tangent in three different forms. One is parallel, one is perpendicular, next making angle. Okay, now next find the condition. Find the condition that tangent. Find the condition that y is equal to mx plus c is the tangent for y square is equal to 4ax. See, observe here. Every time we are writing y is equal to mx plus a by m. Now, what we are going to prove? This c value is equal to a by m in this proof, sir. So, what is that we are going to prove now? C is equal to a by m. We are going to prove in this. So, here solution. So, y is equal to mx plus c. Put in y square is equal to 4ax. So, this becomes mx plus c whole square is equal to 4a into x. Open the bracket, m square x square plus 2mxc 2mcx plus c square is equal to 4ax. Bring 4ax this side, m square x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus 4ax is equal to 0. X common plus c square is equal to 0. Now it is the equation in m square x square, it is in the form of x square, x and constant, that is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. We know for tangent b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 for tangent. Okay, what is the condition? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0 for tangent. So here this is b, this is a, this is c. So what will happen? B square means what? 2mc minus 4a whole square minus 4 into a value is m square and c value is c square is equal to 0. So 4m square c square plus 16a square minus 8 means 16amc. So 2ab, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 4, 16amc minus 4m square c square. These two will get cancelled. 16a common, a minus m is equal to 0. 16a is equal to 0 or a minus mc is equal to 0. So a is equal to 0 or a is equal to mc, c is equal to a by m. A cannot be 0 because once a is 0, parabola will not exist. C is a by m. I told you every time we are writing y is equal to mx plus a by m. So here a by m is we have to prove, c is as a by m. That's what we are proving it. Okay, please note on this. Next problem. Find the condition that y is equal to mx plus c is tangent for x square is equal to 4ay. What is the condition? Is asked to find y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent for x square is equal to 4ay. Again, y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, y is equal to mx plus c. Put in x square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to 4a into m is y is replaced by mx plus c. So x square is equal to 4amxc plus 4ac. Bring the term this side. X square 4amc 4amx minus 4ac is equal to 0. Right? So we got x square minus 4amx minus 4ac is equal to 0. Again, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. For tangent, what is the condition? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0 for tangent. So B is what? Therefore, minus 4am whole square minus 4 into 1 into c, 4ac is equal to 0. So this is a c value, this is a b value, this is a a value. A value is 1 third here. So this becomes 16 a square m square plus 16 AAC is equal to 0. 16a common, am square plus c is equal to 0. I have taken 16a common, so am square plus c will come. So 16a is equal to 0 or am square plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 0, which is not possible. C is equal to am square. Here it is c is equal to a by m, here c is equal to minus am square. For the parabola, x square is equal to 4ay. Please note on this. Next. Show that equation of common tangents for circle x square plus y square is equal to 2a square and parabola y square is equal to 8ax is x is equal to plus or minus, sorry, y is equal to plus or minus x plus 2a. Okay. So what is the question? Show that the equation of the common tangents for the circle x square plus y square is equal to 2a square and the parabola y square. Now we are writing here equation of tangents in slope form. Y is equal to mx plus a by m, but here it is a 8a is there, so it becomes 2a by m. See, if you take 4y square is equal to 4ax, our equation is y is equal to mx plus a by m for, okay, y square is equal to 4ax. What is the equation? Mx plus a by m. But what is the parabola? For slope form, for y square is equal to 8ax, means it is a double, so it becomes 2a. Here a is there, this will become 2a. This is very, very important. So this we rewrite mx minus y plus 2a by m is equal to 0. You call it as equation number 1. So for circle is equal to 0, 2g is equal to 0, 2f is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 2a square, g value, f value 0, and what is the c value? Minus 2a square. Therefore, center is minus g comma minus f, 0 comma 0. What is the radius? Root of 0 plus 0 plus 2a square. So this becomes r is equal to root 2a. So what is r value? Root 2a. Now, perpendicular distance from center 0 comma 0 to the line is equal to 0 is radius root 2a. So perpendicular distance from center 0 comma 0 to this line is equal to root 2a. So root 2a is equal to x is replaced by 0, y is replaced by 0, 2a by m modulus by root of x coefficient is m square, y coefficient is minus 1 square. So root 2a is equal to 2a by m root of m square plus these two will get cancelled. Root 2 is equal to 2 by m into root of m square plus 1. Cross multiply. Is equal to 2. Square both the sides. So what will happen? 2m square into m square plus 1 is equal to 4. This will get cancelled 2 times. So I have squared both the sides. So what will happen? Open the bracket. M power 4 plus m square is equal to 2. Therefore, m power 4 plus m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Factorization. Minus 2 is equal to 0. M square common. M square plus 2 minus 1 common. M square plus 2 is equal to 0. So m square minus 1 is equal to 0. M square plus 2 is equal to 0. Here m square is equal to 1 or m square is equal to minus 2, which is not possible because square of any number cannot be negative. So what is the m value? 1. So we say plus or minus 1. Therefore, put in 1. What is the first equation? Here mx minus 5. Here m value we have to consider. M is equal to 1. So what will happen? X minus 5 plus 2a by m is equal to 0, or y is equal to x plus 2a by m. First equation. Again put m is equal to minus 1. So what will happen? Minus x minus 5 plus 2a by m. So y is equal to 2a by 1. So m value we are considering 1. So this becomes 1. So minus x minus 5 plus 2a is equal to 0, y is equal to x plus 2a. If you consider this will come minus 2a is equal to 0, y is minus x minus 2a, minus of x plus 2a. So here what is the y we got? Minus x plus 2a, here y value x plus 2a. Therefore, common tangents plus or minus x plus 2a. Right? So here, first here very important. For y square is equal to 4ax, it is the y is equal to mx plus a by m. Here 8ax is there, so 2a will come from this line equation. Okay, please note down. Next. From next problem. There are two problems of this nature. From external point, P, tangents are drawn to y square is equal to 4ax, and these tangents make angles theta 1 and theta 2. Theta 1 and theta 2. Theta 1 and theta 2 such that tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is a constant. Tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is a constant. B. Then show that P lies on the line y is equal to bx. Okay, here now equation of tangent solution. Y is equal to mx plus a by m. What is the equation of tangent? Y is equal to mx plus a by m. LCM if you take by m, cross multiplication. My is equal to m square x plus a. So 0. Okay, what is the equation we get? M square x plus minus my. Okay, let the point P is x1 y1 is the point. So tangents will become what, sir? Tangents are m square x1 minus my1 plus a is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of slopes. It is in the form of slope. Means tan theta 1 and tan theta 2 are the roots. Why, sir? Because here angles are given. Okay, what is the sum of the roots? Is tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is equal to minus b by a. From quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, what is the alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. This formula. Which formula we are applying? Minus b by a. So tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is equal to minus b by a means what, sir? Minus of minus y1 by a is x1. Here b means what, sir? The m coefficient, not x1 y1 coefficient. It is a coefficient of m. So m coefficient is minus y1 and m square coefficient is x1. So tan theta 1, tan theta 2, what is that he has given? This is given. B is equal to what? Y1 by x1, or y1 is equal to bx1. Therefore y is equal to bx. Is asking to prove same thing. So here, what is important here? It is tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is equal to minus of minus y1 by x1. So b is equal to y1 by x1. So therefore y1 is equal to what? bx1. Therefore y is equal to bx, which is asked to prove. Okay, please note on this. Again, from the external point P, tangents are drawn to y square is equal to 4x, makes the angle theta 1 and theta 2 such that, now here cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is equal to d, a constant. Then show that P lies on horizontal line. P lies on horizontal line. Okay, this is very, very important. Now again, y is equal to mx plus a by m. Y is equal to mx plus a by m. Again, my is equal to m square x plus a, or m square x minus my plus a is equal to 0. Let P is x1 y1. Therefore it becomes what, sir? M square x1 my1 plus a is equal to 0. Given theta 1 and theta 2 are the angles. Therefore tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Just now we have seen. So what will happen? Minus of minus y1 by x1, which is y1 by x1. Then next I am writing tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is product of the roots, which is c by a. C by a means what, sir? A by x1. Okay, a by x1. Now given cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is equal to d. Cot means what, sir? 1 by tan theta 1 plus 1 by tan theta 2 is equal to d. LCM if you take tan theta 1 tan theta 2. So is equal to d. Okay, what is that? Tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 already we have proved. y1 by x1. And what is the next one we have proved? A by x1 is equal to d. So x1 will get cancelled. y1 is equal to ad. Okay, so y is equal to ad. You know, equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0, or if you say parallel, y is equal to k. What is that? Y is equal to k. So y is equal to 0 is x-axis, or any line parallel to x-axis is k. This is what we say horizontal line. What is line it is called? Horizontal line. If it is a vertical line, x is equal to k. Vertical line. You have to remember this concept, sir. Anybody is writing competitive exams, you have to remember horizontal is y is equal to k and x-axis y is equal to 0. Vertical line is x is equal to k. Here also what we got, y is equal to ad. A is a constant, d is a constant. Therefore, which is nothing but y is equal to constant, which is a horizontal. Okay, horizontal line. Okay, so with this we have finished parabola chapter. Okay, actually the portion is, some part of the portion is not there, but we have to know till the December or January we do not know actual portion, what is the portion deletion, but we have finished whatever is there in the complete portion, we have finished. So next class onwards we are going to start ellipse chapter, sir. Okay, in conics there are three, one is parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Then we are going to start ellipse chapter, sir. That is also very, very important. Okay, right.